Hi, this is Kathy Kolb with NorthCentralPA.com, bringing you a weather report about the flooding and potential flooding that we're looking at here. Today is September the 10th, and I just want to give you a roundup of what the data is that we're looking at and what the concerns are. Again, this is September the 10th, 2018. Here is the river forecast for the West Branch Susquehanna River at Williamsport. Currently we're just shy of 5 feet. We're looking for a crest of 19.9 feet. Late Tuesday. This is Monday morning we're recording this, so late Tuesday. We have seen this level several times already this summer, and so we should all be familiar with what this means. Some low-lying roads are closed for a day or two alongside the river. Muncie Creek, low-lying areas there at the Y and such. We're prepared for things like that. We've gone through it twice already this summer. We are under a flood warning and a flood watch for the area. This is the map. The dark green is the flood watch. The bright green is the flood warning. Expect that to change a little bit, but that's currently what they're calling for. The whole river basin right now, the Middle Atlantic River forecast, is seeing flooding much more to the south, down at the Chesapeake right now. That's not our concern. Here is our concern. The rain that we're getting now is the remnants of Tropical Storm Gordon. There is another tropical storm, Hurricane Florence, which is out way past Bermuda right now, but scheduled to come in. You see, here's Tuesday, here's Wednesday, here's Thursday, here's Friday. That's a long way away. We do not know what that will be. What I want to just encourage people who have property and concerns near the creeks and rivers, keep an eye on this. Our ground is saturated. Our ground in Lycoming County is saturated. Has been much of the summer, but of course with the long duration heavy rain that we've had this weekend and today, our ground is saturated. It can accept no more rainfall. We already expect the river to go to near 20 feet in Williamsport. Here we go. That has everything to do with the Tropical Storm Gordon, nothing to do with Tropical Storm Florence. If this storm walks its way in here and drops another batch of rain on us, we could be in trouble. That's what I want you to understand here. Let's look at this. We get out here Thursday, Friday, we could still have a river at 10 feet and get the additional rain from Hurricane Florence. That's the issue. This is very similar to what happened in 2011 with Tropical Storm Irene and Lee. I'll provide links in the article, but I suspect many of you will remember this. A couple things to remember. We can't tell the future. So, although weather forecasting uses a lot of data and is very helpful, we really can't tell. At this point, Monday, we really can't tell what it's going to be like Saturday. Number two, we can prepare. We can put a full tank of gas in the car. We can get our batteries charged up. We can bring the boats out, the docks out, things like that. now when the water is low and not raging, and we can be smart about this. Number 3, keep in mind that all property and stuff is replaceable. What our goal here is, as always, is to prevent fatalities. We can't replace you. We can replace a boat, a dock, a car that gets flooded, as terrible as that may seem. Those are all replaceable. But we can't replace you. So please use prudence now. Keep an eye to the weather this week, and keep yourself safe. Don't drive through water, especially in the dark, and keep an ear open for road reports and things like that as you go through your regular challenge of getting to work, getting the kids to school, and taking care of the cottage up by the creek, as whatever your interests may be. Again, this is Kathy Kolb with NorthCentralPA.com, and we, of course, will be riding out the storm with you, and we will bring you PennDOT road reports and weather reports as usual. Thanks for listening and reading NorthCentralPA.com.